Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain Bubble Daydream, a fantastic vitamin C and niacinamide serum. This product is a scientific power couple for your face, aiming to even tone and reduce dark spots. It's formulated to give your skin a daily dose of brilliance, making it a great addition to many skincare routines. We'll cover how to best use this serum for optimal results. Incorporating Daydream into your routine is simple. After cleansing and toning, apply 1 pump of the serum onto clean, dry skin. Gently massage it in and allow it to absorb for about 1 minute before moving on to your moisturizer. You can use this powerful serum once or twice a day, depending on your skin's needs and sensitivity, for continuous improvement. The Bubble Daydream serum offers several key benefits for your skin. It actively works to reduce the appearance of scarring and hyperpigmentation, promoting a more even skin tone. Many users report softer skin texture and a noticeable increase in radiance. With its blend of vitamin C and niacinamide, it's designed to make your skin look and feel dreamier, enhancing your natural glow. To get the most out of your Bubble Daydream serum, remember a few tips. Always follow up with a suitable moisturizer and a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 during the day to protect your skin. This serum is generally suitable for all skin types, including sensitive, oily, and dry. For optimal results, consistent daily application is crucial to achieve a brighter, more even, and radiant complexion over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.